Hey everybody.
Hello.
So tonight we are hanging out at home because it is 24 degrees outside.
It's freezing.
It is freezing. We ran some errands today, but tonight I'm gonna make some dinner and we are going to announce our Ole Smoky towel giveaway winner. So stay tuned for that. But tonight I'm gonna make some chopped cheese sandwiches. Kim had no idea what that was.
I still don't know what that is.
So basically it's something that's popular in New York. You can get it at like a bodega around New York City. But it's, I think, and the way I would describe it is New York's version of a Philly cheesesteak. But it's with chopped meat, so you can use chopped ground beef. I'm gonna use ground turkey tonight. And American cheese, some sauteed onions, and you throw it on a toasted hoagie bun. And then with whatever toppings and that you would like on a sandwich. And that's what we're making tonight.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah, I wanted to make it on the black stone outside. Way too cold for that. So I'm gonna make it inside on my skillet. So let's get into it.
All right, I'm hungry.
Me too. Who's surprised?
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV. K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
RVTV.
We say hi to the babies. They're nice and warm under their blankets, and they have their sweaters on too. Say hi, Cody. Cody's like, I smell food already.
Yeah, he's worried about what I'm doing in the kitchen.
He's over there. They're cute. They're nice and warm.
They're comfy. Alright, so I have my skillet preheated, and I'm going to drop a little butter to get that melted. And that's going to be my first step. And I'm going to slice up some sweet onion.
How much?
I'm going to use the whole shebang.
A whole onion?
Yep.
The whole thing?
Take the first layer of the onion peel off whenever I use onions, just in case it got damaged or a little funky. But I'm going to do some thin slices. As thin as I can get them.
You scared me.
She always is nervous when I use a knife. I don't know why.
I think because I'm bad at using knives, I think other people are bad at it too.
I cook every day just about, and she's still nervous. Now, it's not to say that I have not cut myself before, because I would be lying. So I'm going to go ahead and just thinly slice up this entire onion. I would say it was like a medium-sized onion. So I got my butter nice and melted in there. We're going to go ahead and throw in the onions. And I want to saute these up just a little bit, because they're actually going to go into the meat. When I'm browning up the meat, we're going to add the onions into it at the same time, kind of incorporate them all together. But I do like a well done onion, so I'm going to saute them just for a little bit first, just a couple minutes.
Erin, you gonna tell them about Thanksgiving?
Oh, okay. So
for the first time ever
in the RV,
Erin's gonna make Thanksgiving.
Yep, and we went to Aldi.
And we're gonna have an Aldi inspired Thanksgiving.
We got everything there. I'm gonna roast a boneless turkey breast for the first time. I've never cooked a whole turkey, any portion of a turkey really besides ground turkey before, so
hopefully it comes out good.
Yeah, stay tuned for that video. We'll probably have it out before Thanksgiving.
Hopefully.
So, you know, just to kind of share our experience. If any of you are cooking tiny or cooking in your RV or cooking, you know, somewhere not normal, you would for Thanksgiving, maybe not in your own home. So yeah, we'll try to get that out for you before Thanksgiving, but I'm excited.
I'm excited for that too.
We're gonna make all my favorite things,
which I'll eat.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, my eyes are burning.
I know, that's a bad thing about cooking onions, that your just eyes water, especially in RV, because we have everything closed up since it's freezing outside.
But
so
I don't ever normally feel this, and I feel it.
They are burning. I'm telling you, it's because normally I have something, the vent open or something, but not today. So I got my onions a little caramelized. Just gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna start with our ground turkey for our chopped cheese.
Chopped cheese.
Chopped cheese.
Has anyone ever heard of this before?
Yeah, leave in the comments if you know. I didn't make it up, I swear. It's a real thing. So I got my onions out of the pan, so I still have it on about 350, like medium-high heat. I'm gonna add a little more butter, get that melted up. And then what we're gonna do is, I have my ground turkey, and we're gonna make, probably I'm gonna try to do 4, I guess. Kind of try to divide it evenly into little balls that we're gonna smash down, because the best part of a chopped cheese is the crispy meat. Like, you get like the crispy edges.
Like of a smash burger?
Kinda, yeah, like that idea. And we're doing it with turkey, so we'll see how crispy we can get it. I got this on sale at Aldi, of course. So that's what we're doing here. But we
still spent like $170.
Yeah, but we got bags and bags of groceries. If you spent that much at Publix, you're walking out with one bag. You know what I mean? A little different. Do love Publix though, don't get me wrong. But Aldi, you can get, you know, good quality meat, good quality things. They don't have a ton of options, obviously, because they only carry, you know, certain items. But gets the job done, and we get our dog food from Aldi, and the boys love it. They absolutely
they have grain-free dog food at Aldi.
They have, we get this salmon and sweet potato. I mean, absolutely love it. All right, so we got our balls done. My butter's pretty melted here.
These are some big balls, ma'am.
Big balls. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop them on in. They're not that even, but
no, they're not.
It'll work. It'll work.
Say so.
Now we're gonna go. I already did one, but we're gonna go ahead and smash them down. Kind of get them as thin as possible. Again, because you want to try to kind of crisp the bottom. This would be easier with my weight, but
I don't think your weight would fit in there.
Yeah, that's true. But again, just kind of trying to push them down, get them thin. Oh, it's already browning up on that one. Yeah. Alright, so I try to flatten them up as thin as I can right now. We're just going to let them cook for a few minutes just to kind of crisp up. Then we're going to flip them over, top them with the onions, and then start chopping. That's what it's called, chop cheese.
I'm ready for the chop.
Alright, it's been probably like 4 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and start flipping over our turkey. The steam is getting the camera. And then I'm going to go ahead and dump my sauteed onions right on top. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sprinkle a little bit of my butt rub seasoning on top of everything. So I sprinkled a generous amount of my butt rub, which is basically just a barbecue dry seasoning. But you can use whatever you want. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion, whatever seasonings you prefer. And now we're going to go ahead and start chopping up the meat with the onions until it's pretty much all done. And you want, obviously with the turkey, you want it to be cooked well. But if you're using ground beef, you can kind of, if you want to leave it a little on the medium well or medium side, that's fine too. But we're just going to mix this up and chop it up, and then we're going to throw in our cheese. I'm so excited. It already smells delicious in here.
Okay.
You're in the right place, Kim. You're in the right place. I almost forgot. There is one more step before the cheese. Now that we have our meat cooked and our onions incorporated and all chopped together, we're going to add a little bit of steak sauce. You can use Worcestershire, A1, whatever your preference is. We have Heinz 57, so I'm going to do a little bit of that. Just kind of drizzle it in there. You don't need a ton, just enough to kind of coat your meat and your onions. That's probably good. And then we're going to go ahead and just stir that in, let it cook just a minute, just to kind of caramelize the sauce a little bit on your meat onion mixture. And then we're going to add the cheese. And for this, you're going to use American cheese, which I know a lot of people say is not really cheese, but it melts really well and gives a nice, savory flavor to your sandwich. So that's what we're going to be throwing in here in just a second. Alright, so we've got our onions and meat with our sauce all cooked up. I'm going to go ahead and I used about 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. So we're going to do 4 slices of Kraft Singles. American. Which I still don't know what Kraft Singles are made out of, but I love it. I don't care. I don't care. Judge me if you want to, but I don't care. So we're just going to let this melt in here, give it a good stir. Then I'm actually going to remove our mixture because I'm going to toast my buns in the same pan.
Stay tuned. We got that giveaway winner coming soon.
I'm excited. Can't wait to see who's going to win the towel and stickers.
Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Cody! Oh my god, you're adorable. My girlfriend got us these hats. These are the little sweaters they wear too. It's just like a separate hat to cover their ears and keep them warm. Oh, Zachary, do you want to put your hat on? Look at Cody.
We crack up every single time.
He's
we
like,
take them for a walk with them on. We die because
he's like, it's not cold enough for this in here. But yeah, we use them on their walks outside because it's freezing.
It is necessary. Their ears get so cold. So we're using some Aldi deli hoagie rolls because they were like $2. So yeah, we're ballers on a budget. So I'm using the same pan that I just scooped my meat and my onions out. I just added a little more butter just so we can toast these bad boys up a little bit.
Toast the buns.
Toast the buns. Because buns are important and they need to stay warm.
True.
So we're just going to toast those up and then throw our meat in our sandwiches. Well, Kim's going to do mayo. And you can do like lettuce, tomato, you know, whatever you would like on a normal sandwich. I didn't buy any tomato or lettuce today just because she never really eats it and then it goes to waste. So I'm just going to do mayonnaise as well. And probably a little extra steak sauce because I'm a saucy girl. But I'm excited and we're just going to have them with some chips tonight because we ran errands all day. So I was like, sandwiches with chips.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Yeah, this takes minutes to throw together. So it's actually really, really easy. Anybody could do it.
Even me?
Even you. But you never watch until you edit the videos, really.
I'm learning. I'm learning as we go.
Next, alright, we need this comment. Who wants to see Kim cook? For you. Cook anything. Make it so you want her to bake a dessert, because you can bake. I'm not the best baker, because that's a lot of measuring involved. I like to just, you know, cook with my heart.
Baking is a science.
It is. It's like chemistry. And you do a good job. So she is a great baker. But if you'd like her to see her prepare me a meal, let us know in the comments. If we get enough comments, she'll have to do it. Right?
There's got to be a lot of comments.
How many comments? 100? Alright, if we get at least 100 comments on this video, Kim will cook me dinner, y'all. That would be pretty amazing.
We'll see. There's no promises.
These are chopped
cheese mixture.
And then I toasted up the buns and just put some mayo on each side. I'm going to go ahead and add our chopped cheese.
I feel like it needs more cheese.
That's not a problem.
It's not a problem? I don't know, because the cheese is like mixed in, so I feel
it's
like
melted
you can't
in there.
see it. You can't see
so
the cheese.
So you want like a layer of cheese. You can do that. I'll throw them in the air fryer real quick with cheese on top.
It's enough.
I actually want to do that now. It's your fault.
Really?
Yes, 100%. That's a great idea. See, I've never made these, so this is my first time. Just something I've seen on TikTok and social media. And
Should we try it?
Oh my god, that sounds fantastic. Kim, what is cheese?
Live.
So why would... The tomato falafel taste it without the cheese. But I mean, there's 4 slices of cheese melted in here.
Exactly.
But I think you can just
so there's still a lot more in there.
Yeah, there's 4 slices of cheese.
So this can make like
4
you
sandwiches. Like melt it like kind of all in, like a, I don't know what else you call it, but it's like sloppy joe with cheese melted in it. But that's like the idea is there's just cheese everywhere. But I'm still down to melt some cheese on top. All right, Kim's going in on her chopped cheese.
Erin put extra cheese on.
I did. We ended up melting just a little bit more.
It's cheesy.
Cheesy? Is it too much now?
Maybe.
I guess we'll just have to eat another one without any extra cheese. But we do love cheese.
It's good.
You like it? And it's easy. It's very easy. But again, you can put toppings on it, which, you know, some crisp lettuce and tomato
that
maybe
would be good for
people.
We like that kind of thing.
Nice. Do you want some like barbecue sauce or something?
No. Chips.
Chips. Cheers.
Thanks, Lay's.
Yeah. Lay's is where it's at. Cheers.
Erin's going to town. Erin's drinking Aldi wine. How's your Aldi wine? She got the box wine. Box wine for 15 bucks.
This is yummy.
Right? This is your jam. You know, it'd probably be good with mac and cheese. Because you always make like sloppy joe with mac and cheese.
I do.
Right?
And then sweet peppers in here would be like all the rage. But I was just wanted to be easy. This was super easy, not a lot of prep. Delicious, great for a cold night.
Alright. Who's ready for the giveaway winner? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Zachary, who's gonna win? You wanna pick the winner? Yeah? You wanna pick the winner? Okay. I'll let you pick.
This is so good.
Right? Thanks for cooking, Erin. Thanks, Aldi. Sponsor us. Erin, the dinner was fantastic. I actually really like the Aldi buns. They weren't too bad.
We've used them before, and
yeah, they're like kind of like light and fluffy-ish.
Yeah, and once you toast them,
toast them up. Yeah.
I mean, They don't have to be the
Just
best.
the extra cheese was not necessary.
It definitely was not, and I'm gonna make it again. And I'm telling you, it was. God bless you. It's allergy season.
Excuse me.
But I'm telling you, like, it was so easy and so tasty, and you can season it however you want. Like I said, use whatever toppings you want. I used the 57 sauce to season. You know, that's kind of like your last coating, but you can use Worcestershire, A1,
and you use ground turkey
want.
Instead of ground beef.
Yeah, and it actually got the crisp and the flavor that I wanted. Especially the butt rub seasoning. You can find that at a lot of places if you're interested, but it's so good. And it gives a nice little kick to the food. Not like a spice, but a good amount of flavor. But it was so good.
Okay.
Cheers.
Giveaway time.
Let's do it.
Here's a look at the Ole Smoky towel.
Da, 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 da.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. It's definitely not a small towel. It's just not as large as a normal beach towel you'd like buy at like Walmart or something.
It's not the softest.
Yeah, after
a few washes.
Yeah, it's a few washes, and then it definitely it starts feeling nice.
This one's ours. The winner. It's a pretty one in the package.
Nice and wrapped still, and then some
smell like
stickers.
food and some other stuff.
Some of our KNE RV stickers. Yeah.
All right, you ready for the winner?
Let's do it.
All right, so I am on commentpicker.com. I put in the URL for the video. We filter out any duplicate comments.
Who's it gonna be?
All right, 221 comments. Here's the winner. Nikki L.
What does it say? I can't read.
So excited to see your Smoky Mountain Christmas. Sour apple is my favorite. Moonshine flavor.
Congratulations, Nikki.
Alright, reply a comment to this video, or you can write us on Facebook Messenger or
Instagram or our email in our description.
Yeah.
Whatever you feel the most comfortable with to contact us, and then we'll get your information from you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. You're very blurred. There you are.
Sorry about the spam comments that were on the video that we put out for the giveaway. I don't know what that was all about, but we reported that person.
Yes, so they're all removed.
That doesn't happen anymore.
Yes, we will never ask you to do anything that's not filmed, if that makes sense. You'll never get a separate.
That's why we do the winner live.
Right, exactly. So we'll never contact you asking you for any personal information unless we are told you've won from us directly, and we'll ask you for whatever mailing address you want to give us to receive your giveaway. But other than that, we will never ask you for anything in any kind of message or email. And obviously, if you do get something from us and you're curious, just hit us up like many of you did, and we appreciate you letting us know. So thank you, and thanks for hanging out with us.
We may have another towel or two for a future giveaway.
Yes, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. And congratulations again, Nikki. We're so excited, and thank you for leaving a comment, and thank you for watching.
Thank you all for watching.
Yes, we appreciate you. Like, it blows our mind every day.
We're almost at 5,000 subscribers.
Yes, we're almost there. I think we need like 100 subscribers.
Not even.
Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, now would be the perfect time. Alrighty, the boys wanted to say goodnight to everyone, and thank you all for your support and watching and spending time with us in our home. We really appreciate all of you.
This is how we're keeping warm over here.
Oh yes, we do have our little space heater going on, doing a great job. You go, girl.
We don't use our propane furnace. We just use space heaters.
Yeah, it's mostly because our propane tank is on board in our RV, and in order to get it filled, we have to go somewhere and get it done. So it's very, we have to break down, put everything away, drive it, bring it back. It's stressful for the dog, stressful for us. But yes, thank you so much for hanging out with us. All right, Kim.
Have a good night.
If you enjoyed this video, hit your like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn the notification bell, and we will see you in the next episode. Good night.